What's going on, y'all? I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this amazing studio, the Jaren M. Laguerre Studio. I have meaning to get to this song. I just like it. And a few of y'all have requested this video, so I wanted to get to this video. So let's do it, y'all. Here's a voice analysis of Joy by The Voices of Fire with Pharrell Williams.
Yeah.
Joy, 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 joy. It's almost like they have the first part of the diphthong, jaw, on that whole beat, joy. Then they kind of taper off on the second part, the E of joy, joy. Kind of like that, joy, or cut off the E, if you will, or cut off the Y sound, the Y of joy. Joy, 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 joy. But that first part of the diphthong has duration. It's not joy, 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 joy. You know, it's not anything like that. It's joy, joy. So that has a little duration in it. It has a little duration in it there. This vocal line is very punched. But even in a punch, there's a little vibrato. You get a little shake instead of there's a little you hear that little shake right there. That's very typical in gospel singing, gospel choir singing. When we punch a line, a lot of times we'll add a little vibrato, a little shake in it, depending on the aesthetic or the finesse of the dynamics of the song. Instead of you see what I'm saying?
I'm sure when I make the
point of view. Little throw right there. Point of view. I love that vocal throw. Ooh, I love it.
when the message come through, and even more clear. When you do it again, they must understand the point of view.
The last word doesn't come from the doctor. Who's the world that the doctor comes out of? Just keep praying beyond the last hour. Now you witness the procedure of power.
Mumble it to myself.
I love that last power. She really brought some bottom, some lower laryngeal power. This is what it sounds like. Power. Kind of like that. She really brought that shake, that vibrato in, and that drama. Power. And she really hit that power like that.
Must think I'm crazy, but I'm humbling myself and I'm giving praise. Fumbling, got myself, they don't know what I'm saying. If you crumble and need help, I know who can raise you.
Singing, talking, raise it. Singing, talking, raise it. There's a little throw and maybe a hint of vocal fry in there.
Unspeakable, the meaning's unreachable. I'll go where he needs me to. More synonyms, I'm gon' need a few. I've had a hard time, ain't been satisfied when I testify. Wanna make sure I'm sharp when I make the point of view. When the blessings come through, I'm living.
When the blessings come through, chest, head, thick, thin. You see what I'm saying? When the blessings come through, right there. So they hit that through, let the little head voice tenfold sound right there.
And even more clear when you do it again, they must understand the point of view.
Point of view. And you hear that T of point of you. Point of view. So instead of point of view, it's point of view. So all of these T's and these consonants are really intentional because they have so many words to get through in such a short amount of time. They have to be really articulate and almost have a simplified vocal execution in terms of like vibrato and runs. They really got to just sing the melody line because we really have to hear the words of the song because the words have meaning and the words give us the point of the song. So without the words, it's just like, oh, okay, you know? So yeah, and they have that constant joy motif going. Joy, 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 joy. When a blessing come through, joy, joy. I've done a better than Joy, joy. Yeah, so they have that polyphony. And I think it's contrapuntal. You know, there's two completely different musical elements or musical ideas happening at the same time. Polyphony, contrapuntal, whatever you want to call it, it is definitely multi-layered musically with these harmonies and these different musical ideas happening simultaneously. Yeah.
Said I couldn't change that, that's another life. But I scrubbed like Ajax, I stayed on my grind. I was way back, now I'm front of line. Was I supposed to say that and trying to undermine?
Mumble it to myself, must think I'm crazy. But I'm humbling myself and I'm giving praise.
You hear the da-da-da-da-da-da happening again. Yeah, the da-da-da, the praise. Yeah, all of that stuff is happening again. That's what we talked about before. Yeah.
Fumbling, got myself, they don't know what I'm saying. If you crumble and need help, I know who can raise you. Unspeakable, speakable. The meaning's unreachable. I'll go where he leads me to. More sin than names, I'm gon' need a few. Lately, I've had a hard time. Ain't been satisfied when I testify. Wanna make sure I'm sharp when I make the point of you. When the message come through, I'm living and even more clear. When you do it again, they must understand the point of view.
Dark situations can make them much brighter. Yeah. If your spirit's way down, he can make them much lighter. Yeah.
So now there's more oohs and ahs and it's a little more legato. And these ahs, I'll call these like neutral vowels. They're kind of just right in the middle in terms of shape and finesse and texture. They're not spread, they're not, warm, they're just right in the middle, neutral, right in the middle, like a median vowel, like median shaped vowels. Yeah. You hear the lead is kind of having more vibrato and more legato on the vocal line too. There's a lot more vibrato and connection.
You just taking off, you can go higher. Now let the joyful water fill your eyes up.
Lately, I've had a hard time. Ain't been satisfied when I testify.
So they jump from that, lately I have a hard time. They had that ahs at the end of that bridge right there. Then they slap you back into that chorus, into that punchy vocal texture.
Make sure I'm sharp when I make the point of view. When the message come through, I'm living and even more clear. When you do it again, they must understand the point of view.
And let me say this, saying the word joy can be difficult. I always think about when we sing more abundantly Ricky Dillard and joy. I remember when I was in the choir and really sang the song, I remember at first my jaw would get so tight because I'm trying to say that joy, that J sound, j. So after so long, your jaw gets tired because there's so many articulatory moves in the production of the word joy. Joy. So it's almost like you have to give less pressure to the consonants to ease up the jaw, and the neck muscles saying joy. And so sometimes what I'll have people do, instead of saying the letter J in joy, change it to a CH. Joy. It's like a soft CH. Consonant modification, consonant substitution. Why not? To the naked ear who doesn't know, it still sounds like joy. It's just almost an unvoiced J, if I can say it like that. So instead of J, it's Ch. Joy. So I would say a soft CH, see if that helps. Like a soft CH. Joy.
Oh, I've got wonderful, great joy.
Now the lead is kind of driving more. The shape is brighter. I got powerful, great joy. Before they kind of had more depth and her power, but now it's great joy, powerful joy. See how it's kind of more churchy in a way? Yeah, more brighter, more punchy in the vocal line, higher laryngally too.
In the morning, I got joy. In the noonday,
Had a little growl on that in the noonday right there.
late in the midnight hour, I got joy. blessings come through.
When the 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 blessings come through.
I mean, Pharrell clearly knows church. Duh. He grew up in church. Like, duh. So he knows the elements of gospel music in this way. And I like hearing like a more urban, you know, contemporary feel to the true elements of gospel music and the finesse and the spontaneity of gospel. I like hearing a more, you know, Pharrell Williams coding on the gospel sound. It's cool. I like it.
This joy that I have, world didn't give it, and the world can take it away. I got it, I got it, I got it. In my walk, in my talk, in my home, on my job.
Now they doubled up on the joys a little bit. They doubled up on the joys quite a bit. So then the lead is kind of driving the doubling up. In my home, joy in my job, joy in my home, joy.
Glorious joy, wonderful joy, indescribable joy, unspeakable joy. You want it, you can have it. If you need it, you can have it. Love, peace, joy.
Now she got a little great joy. Sing. I like that. You better sing now.
When the blessings come through.
When the blessings come through.
Yeah. You know, like a little grit. Sing, y'all.
Blessings come through.
When the blessings come through.
When the blessings come through.
When the blessings come through.
Joy, joy. All right, choir.
God for joy. Thank you, God, for your joy. Power, peace, joy, joy.
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I got joy. Come on, y'all. I love you, and I will see y'all soon.